Hello everyone, welcome back to Pseudo Sensei. This is going to be a quick one. I just want to talk about something that I mentioned in the last video. So we learned how to declare variables in the last video. What we learned was something like there are three parts to a variable declaration in Go. So first part is the var keyword, then the name of the variable, and then the type of the variable. So what I'm doing in this small code is that I'm creating a variable of type integer. I'm putting a value of 10 here, and I'm printing it, right? So let's just quickly go and build this. I'm going to run go build dot, and I'm going to run this. So it printed 10. That's what we expected, right? Awesome. But what if I told you that there is a simpler way to do this? I mean, you don't have to go ahead and create two lines for this. All you have to do is you can, go ahead and delete this part. So now it says variable, name of the variable, type of the variable equals to, this is the assignment operator in the terms of computer science, and we assign the value 10. So basically we reduced a line here, right? And it works. I'm just going to go ahead and build this again. Go build dot slash vars, and you see we got 10 back. So we know that we can declare the variable in just a line and give it the value as well. What if I told you we don't even have to write all that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this 10 here, but I'll go and create a new variable, and I'm going to call it second number. Cool. And I'm going to assign it a value of 15. Right, so it has a red squiggly line here. That means this is wrong. This syntax is not correct. Why is it not correct? Because we need to tell it that we're creating a new variable. And how do we do that? Either we do it by using the var keyword, or we put a colon here. Cool. So now the red squiggly line is not about that. I'm just going to go ahead and use this. So as you see, this is fixed now. So I'm gonna go ahead and build it quickly, and let's do a dot vars. It should give us an addition of my number and second number. That's 10 plus 15, 25, right? So what did we do here? We actually went ahead and used an assignment operator that actually creates the variable. So if you hover over this second number, you'll see it says var second number int. So what Go is doing, it's trying to understand what is the object on the right hand side. So Go reads it, and it and understands that it's an int. It's a type integer, right? So when we do a colon equal to, Go compiler understands that we are trying to create a new variable, and it will go ahead and create a variable of this name and give it the type that it inferred from the right hand side. So it inferred that it's an integer. We want it to create a new variable. It's not an purely assignment operator. It's Go's proprietary operator. This is only in Go. And it's used to infer the type and assign it to a new variable. So finally what we get is a var second number int, but we actually don't have to write the whole thing. Go will do it for us. Awesome, isn't it? So that's all I wanted to talk about in this video. I'll go ahead and give you a few more examples for this. So for example, last time we did a var my var, and we create a string, and let's say I'll put my name here. Cool. So let's go ahead and use this, because Go doesn't like if we don't use the variable. Go doesn't like wastage. Yeah, so this is the normal way to create a string, right? But what if I do a second var and just give it a, if I could just type, I'll just give it hello pseudo sensei. Cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an fmt println and second var. Awesome. I'm going to build it. I'm going to run it. So you see, first of all, we got the my number plus second number, that's 10 plus 15, that's 25 here. Then we created a variable, which is a string, which is a key, and then we went ahead and did the hello pseudo sensei in this variable, and we printed it, and that's printed here. So if you hover over this, you'll see it says var second var string. So Go went ahead, looked at this object on the right hand side and understood that it's of a type string and assigned it to second var. Awesome. So that's all I wanted to talk about variable declaration in Go. We'll see you on the next, we'll meet in the next video where we talk about some interesting stuff like for loops and while loops and arrays. Probably we'll talk about arrays before we talk about loops, because obviously that's important. So I'll end this video right now. Bye bye.